It is another hot one today. They're saying high temps 92, humidity is like 60%. So I haven't even really started digging yet. You can see I'm starting to get drenched already. So it's gonna be a good one. Hey everybody, Damion Draeger, 4D Exteriorscapes here in New Berlin, Wisconsin, where we are going to be installing a bubbling rock in this beautiful landscape backyard. Lots of on around here, some statuary and things like that. So we've got this spot here, about a 5x5 give or take, planted with hostas and things around it. So we're going to excavate this down. We're going to go down approximately 3.5 feet, 40 inches, somewhere in that range. Get the basin in today is our goal. We are fortunate we're able to take this fill and dump it over behind the shed. So a little bit of a walk around the deer fence there, but we'll be okay. We did get our local locate service, the 811 Diggers hotline out here. They came out, they marked everything, came through, and where we are locating this is plenty safe. By the end of the day today, we can pull those flags out and get them out of the way, and from there, so follow along. Hey everybody, Damion Draeger, 4D Exteriorscapes, and we are here in New Berlin, Wisconsin, where we have just finished up first two of the hottest days of the year, 90 to 95 degrees, heat index of 108, 110, a little bit sweaty. So doing this project here in this backyard where we only had this path to come through and everything had to be done by hand to install this bubbling rock, about 4.5 foot, 4 foot by 42 inches deep, all had to be hand dug, wheelbarrowed out, and then everything brought in by hand also. This stone fits the space. The homeowner commented when we put the stone in, because this is the first time she's seen it in person, she thought that it was going to be smaller than that. But once we talked, I mean, the main viewing area from way back here, you've got the house. Wanted something that was going to stand out, not just in height, but also in size and everything. So we've got that water dripping over the front, a great calming sound. I'm not going to say it fills the backyard because there is, I think, a 25-acre nature preserve behind there. So you've got all those sounds of nature, but I can only imagine how much the birds are going to enjoy just sitting on these edges. You know, probably get some bees over on this little high side there that's just a little bit dry, but it's enough water where they can come in and they can get the water they need to help us pollinate stuff. And, you know, without bees, we're kind of in trouble. So this is our project, all done, wrapped up. That cloudiness will clear up in a day or so. And yeah, it's another beautiful project done. So appreciate you follow along. Do me a favor, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hope you're having a great day.